Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you guys how you can unlock home screen layout on Samsung. Well, it's quite easy. So for now here, if I want to move this application to here, if I do that, here you can see I cannot do that because the home screen layout is locked. So in order to unlock it here, you'll have to first of all long press on the blank screen on your home screen just like this, then tap on the settings. Then after doing that, if you scroll down a bit, here you can get the option of lock home screen layout. So you can see it is currently enabled. Tap on it and disable it. Now if you go back from here, just like this, we are back on the home screen. So if I want to move this application to here, I can simply do that now. Here you can see just like this, I can do this. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.